Good morning and welcome to Andrew's Angling Adventures 2026. It's a new year and we're still going. We're on the way to the river. I'm going to go and try and fish some perch. I only had a couple more sessions before Christmas, real short sessions as well, like it was really cold. Took the dog with me, she wasn't very happy about it, so I think I did 3 hours. Had a couple of small perch-ish, chuck a couple of clips in if I've still got them. If not, you might not see them. Well, I can't get any proper size perch yet today. The only thing I keep getting them on is single pinky. There we go. Tricky old day. But yeah, hopefully we've got a couple of months now where I'm going to carry on having to go for the perch, maybe once every couple of weeks if I can get out. And we'll try and get that 4-pounder. That's what we want, innit? We've got another 20 minutes to drive and then we're there. I'm going to try a new spot today. We're going to meet Mr. Paul Asher. So no further ado, I'll see you on the bankside. Let's get it done. It's a lovely morning. A little bit later than we should be, but there's a little bit of molehill mud there. A bucket of molehill mud. Some tasty spots here, isn't there? Different to the sand we're used to fishing on. That's a good little spot, that. That puddle was deeper than I thought. There he is, Mr. Paul Asher. You got the best swim? Oh, we've got like a nice little keep net area. Where am I going, mate? Left or right? Left?
You go downstream.
Yeah? Glad these are not too slippy. I thought they were going to be a nightmare, but they're alright, aren't they? Yeah. Yeah, man. Good to see you.
It's always good to see you. Can't do it enough.
Yeah, man. Looks nice from here. Oh, aye. Well worth a little try, innit?
Definitely more perch that side, isn't it?
Yeah, got to be thinking side of the flow there, a little bit of back eddy like you say. Probably get away with nice light leads there as well, won't we?
Yeah. Yeah,
right.
definitely.
Let's unstrap the rods and get going. I've left my fucking brew in the car. Good. You say you've got a few worms here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a couple, or at least one. I'll just chuck it out on this little light red rod down the side for now, just in case. Wish we could find. Oh, you buy some lobbers?
Yeah. I had to get 50 last time I went, didn't I?
50 worms?
50 lobs, 20 quid.
Oh, how come we had to buy 50?
I didn't have 10. I think it was more than 20 quid, it was like 22 quid or something.
Yeah, I think it was 4 quid for 10.
It worked out more expensive getting 50 rather than 10.
Look at that. A little bit rocky there. Well, we'll try this innit for now. See how we go, and then if we can't get anything, then we could always just skip up and move and fishing pretty light. You're back then, yeah? Yeah, when I come before Christmas and it was cold, like people weren't really catching and that, and then I was in that usual spot. I was fishing short for a little and nothing everywhere. I was trying all over. There was just one spot right in front, dead straight in front of me, and I had to cast to the blue, back to the blue section of my line. If I went less than the blue section, I wouldn't get it. As soon as I got into the blue section, get a bite pretty much every go. It was like a landing in a ball of dace or something where they were, like all huddled up or something. But you couldn't get any anywhere. If you went 10 yards to the left, 5 yards short, anything like that, it was like, nah, not happening. Yeah, I've got mine sort of tied over on a loop on my feeder. There's my hook length gone already.
Hook length's gone?
Yeah. It stuck on the bottom then. That was another thing I needed to pick up lengths, to be fair. I've only got a few left. Done my prep, I've done a perch box and everything, me mate. $18 is my smallest I've got now though. I won't be able to tie a 22, I barely see it. Yeah, my dad was talking about that type of stuff the other week, like when we went fishing and stuff, and he was saying about when we came on here and we did that session when you had the barbel and everybody and all them fish we had. Yeah. He was like, why did we never used to go there? Why we used to go on bloody Cornbrook and stuff and fish for 6 ounces to win a match, and that was like 20 fish that were like skimmers that had just been born or something. Like fishing for £1,000 worth of carp and that these days, aren't they? And that, like 5 nets and all that, it's madness. You'd rather win a match with, I mean, if you want it, like £100 would be a good day or something, but I don't think you need to just go into 1,000. It's not even fishing that's just machine work, innit? You know, I don't think the angling's got to be that good if you got to catch that many fish. No. I mean, obviously there's going to be people who can do it better, but surely that's more to the fact that they've just tuned in on the speed fishing and everything. I don't want to just ship it out, goes under, pull it back, ship it out, goes under, pulls it back. I'm not really that, you know what I mean? I like to sit there a little bit and, like, you know, little lifts and pulls and try and wait and get you back, work your bites.
Slapping these days, aren't they?
Yeah.
Slapping.
Yeah, I used to like fishing up in the water a bit, that was decent. It's definitely rocky here though. That was out there on the worm rod.
Can you imagine sometimes in that corner to that corner? That's probably where there's a big shelf in there.
Yeah.
I reckon if you fish on this side, you'll be alright, won't you? Too close to that ripper.
Rob another worm, mate, while we're waiting. There's stuff on here. Asha? Yeah, I got one. Well. Well, yeah. I thought I seen my rod bounce and then I just picked it up and he's one on. Big one. Yeah. Well, we were just having a little chat whether we were in the right area. And it's just whipped off.
Look at that.
That's not a bad start of a fish, is it, mate?
Delta.
Right.
So we'll squeeze in here then, are we?
Yeah, I reckon so. Just off the back of that shelf there then.
Get the mat out.
Yeah. Right. You better hold it for a sec for us, just in there, and then we'll just zero this scale. You got him, yeah. Might as well weigh him, see what he's about, Anna. No, not yet. Gotta set these. Right. That was pretty instant, wasn't it? That's a lovely fish. I think he's quite pretty pound though.
What do you reckon? 212?
Yeah, upper twos.
Hold it.
210.
210.
210.
Not a bad start though, is it?
Nah, not for a quick throw in. It's not as chunky as some of them was. Alright, let's get a quick shot of him. That's a cracker. First fish, 2026, 210. Is that what we said?
Yep,
Yeah.
210.
Lovely fish, that. Yeah. Right.
Angle it that way a bit, mate.
Lovely. Here's mem. You can get that front cover picture. It's hard to hold that thing up in it.
Yeah. Just hold it like that for now.
Lovely start. Let's get him in the net.
Good shout to move on.
Yeah. Bit slow where we started there, then on it. Hopefully there's a little pack of these. Well, that was a little bit of a bonus, wasn't it? Just flicked a little worm out just off the shelf. And put the rod on the floor while I was going to sort my gear out. I seen it bouncing about, but I thought it just rattled and just rolled down the flow. I weren't 100%. Lifted it up with a little bit of a strike and then felt it. Quite lucky really, it went through a snag or it went over, feels like there's like another wall and then it drops down just over the back of that. But yeah, happy with that. First fish of the year. 210. Can't wait to see a 4-pounder, it's going to blow me away. Just looking at a £2.10 perch, just it's phenomenal looking. A little robin here now near me. Hello Robin. Give him his little morning feed. Right, let's get some rods set up and get us another clonker. Oh yeah. Bait's not looking too clever, is it? I just found some otter patterns. Prints, fresh prints in the mud. There's a couple of patches of scales along the bank. Well, you know, we just had that perch. I think it was a bit of a fluke. I'm rolling into snags there where we've just set up, so we're going to have a little move again. Try a third spot. We're in quite a bit of a fast, shallow run here, like this concrete wall. It goes in and there must be another one. Just going behind that. Seems alright, but don't really think I feel like I'm fishing very well, and neither does Paul, so we're going to up sticks and move again. Right, lunchtime. Mr. Asher has kindly provided us with some homemade bread cheese sandwiches. Homemade bread cheese. Let's see what we're dealing with.
Yummy.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Got a cup of tea as well.
Oh, go on then, you're spoiling me. Look at that for homemade seeded bread.
Sourdough.
Lovely. A little brew, and my water had gone off. Somehow.
Off water.
I'm enjoying our little sandwich. And Ash has managed a little roach, by the looks of it.
In the net, is that for later?
Yeah. Scabby salmon. I don't know if you've seen that then or not. Not a bad sized fish though, that. Oh, he's definitely on the way out, he's dead. Yeah, yeah. Do you reckon? Yeah, I'm gonna hit it. Oh. No. The bite though. Yeah, just nailed the bottom half of the worm. Oh, I had my first silverfish bite there then. Yes. Daisicle, I think. It took a long time to get one of them today. Dace in the place. Alright. Goodbye. Let's have a look what we got this time, mate.
Let's have a look at what we've got this time.
Let's have a look. Chubby dacer.
Chubby days. Maggie, your rod, mate.
Which one?
The one with the high bait on.
Oh, right. Well, I've been putting some maggots in on these rocks I can see, and they've gone. They've gone them maggots again, mate.
Have they?
Yeah. I can't actually see it. Oh, there. It's those little micros. I hope it's an eel. I caught one of them for a good few years. I'd have a go with that. Plonk the roach.
Not stonker.
He's lovely, isn't he?
Yes.
Come on. Nice. Ooh. Yeah. Just a little bit more than what I thought the roach would do. It was a bit of a little bit of a whack, maybe. Right, come to the end of the day. Been a tricky day. We've not done much. A few silvers each. That one nice perch. Seen a salmon. Don't think I've really ever seen a salmon before. But yeah, it's a good day, wasn't it, mate?
Yeah,
enjoyed it. Getting out, didn't we?
Got out, done a bit.
Back
Out
and done.
tomorrow for me.
Yeah, he's back out tomorrow, and I'll be in work all day on a nice 12-hour. But yeah, looking at the other anglers, it's been equally as tricky. I've not seen anyone really catching much, just a couple of silvers each. But that's fishing. Right, join us again. We'll see what we can get next time. See you in a bit.